Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Gmail tutorials. In video, I will show you how to insert and send files from Drive through an email composing in Gmail. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to insert files and photos from our local computer. We can also insert files stored in our Google Drive as attachment or linking to our Drive. Come to New Message, click on Insert Files using Drive. Then it will open our Google Drive and shows all the stored files. Select a file. One thing, remember that we can select files like documents, photos and so on, but not applications, because Gmail will never allow anyone to send apps through an email. I'm selecting a image and we can insert this as attachment or drive link. For this, I'm selecting the default option, drive link, and click on insert. Similarly, I want to insert another file as an attachment. This time I'm selecting document and selecting attachment. Click on insert. After this, let's enter the to address subject line and body text and click on send. Then it will open another window. Here we need to set accessing permissions to the recipients. Set the permissions to view, to comment and to edit our files. And if we select to turn link sharing on, everyone can access our file depending on its restriction. And if we want, we can send the mail but restrict its access from all of them by checking in don't give access option. But here I want to use default option, share with one person with view restriction only. And finally click on send. We got changing drive permissions and the message sent successfully. Now come to recipient's account and here we got the mail. Click on this to open. Now let's try to open the files. When we click on a file linked as drive link, it will open the file in new tab, and notice that we are accessing this from Google Drive. Similarly, let's click on file linked as attachment. Normally it will open the file in same tab. If we want, we can save this to our Google Drive, or we can take the printout and we can also download this file. Like this, we can insert and send files from Google Drive through an email composing in Gmail. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.